Seo Sraith Pictiúr a seachtaíoch, madra a stray, a dog lost or dog on a stray. So fine an buca seo takes on a chara Sheila. This boy gets a text from his friend Sheila. Tá a madra imethe, her dog is gone. Tá cabhraigh tastal uhi láthirch. She needs help immediately. Gan doubt tá imní mór ar Sheila faoin na madra. For sure, Sheila is very worried about her dog. Beg takes a heola rash cuhianish. He'll have to send her back a text now. Buaileann sé le Sheila ag isteach. He meets with Sheila at her house. Nuair a ecann she an buachal, tosíonn she ag cuine. When she sees the boy, she starts crying. Berann sé barrógurthaí, he gives her a hug. Deir sé leihí gan a bheith bortha, he says to her not to be worried, agus an scéal insint dó, and to tell him the story. Seeing she sa chistan agus ólann she cup an té, she sits down in the kitchen, she drinks a cup of tea. In she an scéal ar fad dó, she tells him the whole story. Níle is ag an múchal cad is féidir leis dhéanamh. The boy doesn't know what he can do. Déanann siad iarracht an scéal scaipeadh sa cheantar. There's a key word here, a scaipeadh. They make an effort to spread the story in the area. Cuireann Sheila gléanna ar a cuardach go léir. Sheila calls or phones all of her friends. Seolann she teachsanna chuig gachtainna chumá. She sends text to everyone as well. Cuireann an buachal gléachar an radio pobal. The boy makes a phone call to the community radio. Agus cuireann an radio pobal fógra amach. The community radio sends out or puts out a notice. Bhfuil madra beag bán agus dubh ar iarracht. That there's a small white and black dog, and this again is a key phrase, ar iarracht, missing. Cuireann Sheila teachtracht suas ar leathnach Facebook. Sheila puts a message up on her Facebook page. Tá sunraí teagmhála an chomá le pictiúr an mhadra. There are contact details there as well as a picture of the dog. Téann siad isteach go leor an bhaile I cuardach an mhadra. They go into the middle of the town searching for the dog. Tá siad ag gléach Jojo amach in order ngutha. They're calling out Jojo at the top of their voices. Bhfear, alas, níl tosc nó tuairisc ar Jojo. There's no sight nor sound of Jojo. Go tuban, cluiseann Sheila a phone póca bula. Suddenly, Sheila hears her mobile phone ringing. Tá seans an go bhfuil scéal ag duine éigean faoi Jojo bocht. There's a chance that somebody has information or has some story about poor Jojo. Deir an duine go bhfuil madra aige, ach níl is aige on Jojo town. The person says that he's got a dog, but he doesn't know is it Jojo. Deir Sheila go bhfuil a madra ceartacha. Sheila says he has the right dog. Cuireann she ceist der madra le Jojo. She asks him a question about Jojo. An bhfuil sé ceart go leor, is he okay? Iarrainn she fannach san áit an bhfuil sé. She asks him to stay in the place that he's in. Buaileann she leis I gceann cuaig nóiméad. She'll meet him in 5 minutes. In she an nuacht wa don bhuachal. She tells the good news to the boy. Tá áthas an down do Sheila. He's delighted for Sheila. Ceapann sé go bhfuil sé go húntach. He thinks it's wonderful. Buaileann siad leis an bhfear to meet with the man ag an ionad siopadóireachta at the shopping centre. Connacht an fear Jojo nuair bhí sé ag siúl Buaileann. The man saw Jojo when he was walking home yesterday. Deir sé go raibh Jojo cailte agus fatteach. He said that Jojo was lost and afraid. Lean Jojo a Buaileann, Jojo followed him home. Agus thug sé aradó mar sin, and he took care of him because of this. Nuair hagann Sheila Buaileann, tá áthas mór ar a tismóirí. When Sheila comes home, her parents are delighted. Mullann siad níos mó ara thuairt don mhadra a seomach. They advise her to take better care of the dog from now on. Insin Sheila an scéal ar fad dubh an sin. Sheila tells them the whole story after that.